Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is taking a closer look at an instrument that truly transcends the ordinary, offering not just music, but an experience, the PAUANI Handpan drum. This particular model, crafted from alloy steel, promises a journey into sound that is both profound and incredibly accessible. What immediately stands out about this handpan is the dedication to its construction. After years of development, PAUANI has implemented a new fire heat treatment process. This isn't just a fancy term. It translates directly into a more durable instrument. It means the handpan is less prone to scratches and damage, significantly more rust-proof, and its beautiful colors are protected from fading over time. For an instrument that one might cherish for years, this commitment to longevity is a huge advantage. The heart of any musical instrument lies in its sound, and the PAUANI Handpan does not disappoint. Professional tuners meticulously select the most suitable materials and thickness, undergoing numerous beat adjustments and repeated tests to ensure that each handpan delivers a perfect tone. It's fascinating to note that the uneven surface of the drum is actually a mark left by this manual tuning process, a testament to the skilled craftsmanship involved, rather than a flaw. This instrument is available in various note configurations, including 9, 10, 12, and 14 notes. For instance, the 10-note design, often recommended for beginners, features a layout including D3A, 3BB, 3D, 4F4A, 4C5G, 4E4C4, each passage independently crafted for optimal resonance. Now, let's talk about the sound itself, specifically its 432 Hz frequency. This particular tuning is often described as being close to nature, resonating with the frequency of water. Considering the human body is composed of roughly 70% water, it's believed that this frequency can create a deep, resonant connection. The sounds emanating from this handpan are truly from the depths of the soul, an infinite mood, a pure sound that resonates with the heart. Playing it allows one to explore oneself more deeply, to empty emotions, let go of worries for a while, and ultimately gain a profound sense of inner peace. It's more than just playing notes. It's an immersive, meditative experience. Practicality is also a key consideration, and PAUANI has thought of everything. The handpan drum comes as a complete package, including a sturdy carrying bag, the handpan itself, 2 mallets for varied playing styles, a dedicated handpan stand, and a dust cloth for easy cleaning. The included bag makes storing and transporting this 5,000-gram instrument incredibly convenient, allowing one to take its soothing sounds wherever they go. The dust-free cloth ensures that maintaining its pristine condition is a simple task. This instrument isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in tranquility and a unique musical journey, ready to be explored right out of the box.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.